Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says a dice is thrown until either a 4 or 6 appears. Okay. So, try to focus on these wordings. Okay. So, these things are important. So we have to understand that the moment at which 4 or 6 appears, the experiment ends. Okay, so this idea is important. Now, find the probability that a 6 occurs before a 4. Means we want 6 before 4. This means 4 will never come. Okay, so this is the idea. Now try to understand this part. So if I am writing this, okay, so it means you are getting 6 and it's yes. Okay, now if I am writing no, this means neither 6 nor 4. Okay, so this is the idea that you have to consume. Now suppose that you have started throwing the dice. Okay, what will happen? There is a chance that you may have 6 in the first game, okay, in first throw, or it's no and then you got 6. Then in third trial you got 6. Then in fourth trial you got 6, okay, and so on. Okay, now you can write down this thing as A plus BA plus B square A plus B cube A plus B power 4 A plus dot dot dot. Here A stands for yes, B stands for no. Okay, if you will observe this thing, you will find out that it is in GP. So can I say that the required probability is the sum of all things and it is infinite things. So A by 1 minus R. So who is A? A was yes, means what is the probability of getting 6? So the probability of getting 6 is what? 1 by 6. Now it is 1 minus B. Who is B? B is neither 4 nor 6. This means you may have 1, 2, 3 or 5. Means the probability is 4 by 6. Okay, sorry, it's not multiply, it is divide. Now you can write down this thing as 1 by 6 multiplied by 6 by 6 minus 4, that is 2. Now you can play fruit ninja, 6 gone, you are left with 1 by 2. Therefore the required probability is 1 by 2. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.